Yells!
The objective. We have lost the objective.
Right. You look right over there. We see a big, angry tank. Now we're gonna sneak up on her, see if she wants to play. Now we've got to very carefully stick that in. Cool guys, don't look at explosions, boom! Really? Oh! I'm on a mission. Cool guys don't look at explosions. They steal explosions from other lesser cool guys. Oh, that's awesome. Ah. Had to bail out of another perfectly good airplane. Oh, James Bond, James Bond. I fell out of the sky. It's raining man. It's a raining man. 14 and 7. Wow.
Yo!